Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Tamaria Lakay, and I go by Tamaria Lakay on all of my social media handles. Today we're going to be diving into a zodiac energy from the tarot cards. The way I'm going to do it is I am going to pretty much roll the dice. So I'm going to roll the dice. We have one that has the zodiac signs on it, and then we also have one that has numbers on it. So what I'll do is pick a sign, get a number, and then whatever numbers on the dice is what I will use to shuffle the energy of the cards. We're gonna do a general reading. We're gonna keep it very simple. We're gonna do a 3-card reading, pull the energy from those specific cards, and then as well at the end of the video we'll do a affirmation card just to kind of end on a positive note. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into it. Divine, who do we have a message for today? All right, so we got Taurus, and I just did Taurus, so we're gonna go ahead and roll it again. All right, so we have Libra, and we have one shuffle. All right, so Divine, please help me to channel a message of inspiration and guidance from pure intentions for our Libras today. All right. So the first card that popped up is the 9 of Pentacles. All right, so Libra, this card is pulling energy of you being self-aware. This card is pulling energy of everything that you've got as far as rewards, and as far as bringing all of your manifestations into this current reality is just based on your hard work and your discipline, using the resources that you had, not making any excuses, just really developing your discipline and your self-awareness and just believing in yourself, really. So because of this belief within yourself, you've been able to accomplish a lot, Libra. You're very self-sufficient. You could be wanting to become an entrepreneur, and you're just like right at the level in the brink of success. But whatever or regardless, you are doing a lot of self-reflecting within your current energy, and you're realizing that you are abundant in all things that you are putting together and doing. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. All right, so Libra, you got the Queen of Wands. So with the Queen of Wands, let me go ahead and refresh this. All right, so with this Queen of Wand energy, it's giving very much like I'm very vibrant, I'm very powerful. Whatever it is that you are working on within yourself and bringing out into this inner world, it's showing. People can see it. You're very protected by the universe right now with this black cat. You just have this joy of experiencing life and loving life and living life in a very vibrant way. You could be dealing with some Leo or have some Leo in your chart. There are some lions on the back of her throne, which is just symbolizing power, very graceful. She's sitting with her legs open, which also signifies a very sexual type of energy. So who knows what could be going on right now, Libra, but you are looking good while you're doing it, and then as well you're being aware of yourself while you're doing it. So that is good. All right, so last card, Libra. Last card is your Queen of Pentacles. You have become very successful. You're very abundant. You're very fruitful. There is a rabbit down here. Let me go ahead and refresh it. Sorry. You might not be able to see it, but there's like a little rabbit down here. The rabbit is signifying fertility. So I'm not sure if you are looking to have a baby, but right now it's gonna be the good time because your bag is right, Libra. You are definitely in your bag. You are getting to it and you're not missing any steps while doing so. You're very fruitful. You're looking at all of the things that you've created and you're just really grateful and thankful for the opportunities. The Queen of Pentacles is very generous. She wants to share her wealth with someone else. So you could be potentially looking to start a family or some type of organization or something to where you're giving maybe back to your family or to someone else. But the Queen is definitely, she's generous in a sense to where, you know, of course it's not going to hurt her to give whatever it is that she's giving, and she does it out of love and she does it out of pure intentions. So this is pretty much the energy that I'm picking up and getting for you today, Libra. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles. So you're very balanced in your actions and you're very balanced in the things that you're doing in order to bring you your finances. And that is pretty much it. You probably don't need an affirmation card, but Libra, we are going to give you one anyway. We are definitely going to go ahead and pick an affirmation card for you. All right, and I've already picked this one for somebody else, but we can go ahead and pick it for you as well. So it says, I am already abundant beyond measures. I am already abundant beyond measures. And the cards are giving very much so that Libras are abundant right now. So that is pretty much what I have for your reading today, Libra. If you enjoyed this message, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're not missing any of your future readings. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.